Hello everyone, my name is Jignesh Radharia and in this video I am doing a quick demonstration of a vulnerability scanning using Nmap on Kali Linux. This video is a part of my cybersecurity coursework and focusing on real-time scanning result analysis and basic hardening recommendation. Now set up the tools using Kali Linux. First of all install the using sudo apt install Nmap. I have already installed and I will direct go to that versions checking for that version. Let's check the Nmap version. Nmap // version. Now you see on screen I am using Nmap version 7.95 on Kali Linux environment. This setup is allows advanced scanning features of the script support. Now we will go to the detection of the whatever IP address what you scan. Detect the running service on that IP address is first of all nmap s capital V whatever want your IP address scan that enter and press enter. As you see on the screen the result shown as the port number 22 is open on the running open SSH etc. That is using Linux distribution. Only one port is open on the 22 port number. Now we will see. Let's forward into the vulnerability scan of the open ports. Let's take nmap hyphen script for vulnerability scanning. Vuln enter IP address. Let's take a time for scanning vulnerability. As you can see on the screen, broadcast away DOS broadcast. Yeah, that is the result. Was executed. There is a packet of denial of service. CV 2011 to 1000. There is the number results. So the system is not vulnerable. Now which is the good sign for the open ports whatever we scan their IP address. Now only one port 22 is open. The service is running recent version of OpenSSH. No vulnerability will found that script. Still, SSH service should always restrict using firewall rules and key-based authentication. In the real world, outdated SSH services have led a major breaches. Projects so that even simple scan can detect misconfiguration early and strengthen the security posture. Thank you for watching. This was the basic but effective scan using Nmap. You can find the full report and documentation linked below. For deeper scanning and you want to like a more integration to use OpenVS or Wazoo. Thank you. Like, comment and subscribe for more security walkthroughs and stay cyber safe. Thank you.